Hi, I'm Ryan. Welcome to this week's episode of PedalParty. And today we're taking a look, kind of an overview of some of my favorite settings on the D&MDrive. Kind of like, doing an overview of Sub-Zero's coolest moves in Mortal Kombat. This pedal has been out for a few years now, and I've noticed over the last few years that there are a lot of demos and reviews kind of focused around some lower and middle gain settings on the D&MDrive. And some of my very favorite settings are actually in the higher gain category. And so what we'll do is take a walk through some of my favorites. We'll start with the lower gain settings, and we'll work our way up to the top of the mountain of metal. Too much? Too much. Okay, here we go. you have it. Some of my favorite wicked settings on Keeleys D&MDrive. Keeping in mind that this pedal is a boost side and a dirt side, I'm sure that there are other pedals that you have combined to create similar and perhaps some completely unique sounds. So in the comments below, I would love to hear what pedals you've used for that. And thanks for joining me on this journey of pedal power. And until next time, party on.